how to set the pin for Samsonite travel suitcase. Okay, first you want to make sure all your pin is set to 000 or 000, and by default it is 000. And then what we need to do is we need to press down on this reset button right here. Okay, here we can use a pen, a toothpick, or a paper clip, and we need to press down on this button. So you should hear a click when we press it down, and it should stay depressed. So here we push it down, you can hear it click and it stays down. Okay, next we turn the button to your desired code. So set it to whatever you like. For example, I'm just going to do some random number here. So I'm just going to choose, you can see how the numbers is in a different direction, so make sure that you do it in the right direction. Okay, so turn the dial. So turn the dials to the new desired 3-digit combination, and then we're going to press or slide this mine zipper release button. So this is the big button you normally use to open the suitcase. Once you do that, you should hear a loud click, and a small reset button will pop back to its original position. So here we push up like this. You can see this button will pop right back up. So it is now set to your desired pin combination. And that's it. So once it is in the right code, you can open it. If we set it to the wrong code, you can see it will not open. And here you can see I can open it. So let's test it out. Here we'll lock it. Will not open. When you put in the right combinations, it should open. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.